This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying admin access and backing up critical data. This avoids lost orders or theme work. Once done, export customer and order CSVs and download your theme. Next, decide whether to restrict the site temporarily with a password or proceed to unpublish entirely. Password protection buys time while you complete next steps. Make sure billing and app subscriptions are noted so charges don't surprise you after unpublishing. Now go to sales channels and disable the online store or enable the storefront password. This immediately blocks public access. Next, audit installed apps, pause or cancel any with recurring charges, and remove app access where required. Once apps are handled, double-check payment providers and shipping integrations to prevent unexpected billing. If you pause the store, leave a clear password message. If you unpublish, make sure redirects and analytics are updated so SEO and reporting remain accurate. Finish by closing the store in Settings Plan. Follow prompts to confirm and clear remaining charges. Export final financial and order reports, then either cancel any purchased domains or transfer them to another registrar. Once closed, remove staff accounts and revoke API keys. If something goes wrong, an error prevents closure or billing holds persist, check owner permissions first, confirm no unpaid charges, and contact Shopify support with your store ID. Doing these steps resolves most closure issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.